Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the world of health and wellness with nourishing, delicious, and practical tips to elevate your daily routine. Today, we're talking about an incredible drink that I personally love, the pineapple, cucumber, and turmeric-ginger refreshing blend. Not only is it incredibly flavorful and hydrating, but it also delivers a wealth of benefits to help you feel your absolute best. First, let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make up this refreshing blend. Each one brings something unique and valuable to the table, and together, they create a synergistic health bomb that's hard to beat. Let's start with the sweet, juicy base of this drink, pineapple. Not only does it give our blend a vibrant tropical flavor, but it's also packed with important nutrients. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which is vital for supporting the immune system and keeping your skin glowing. But what really sets pineapple apart is its unique enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme that helps break down protein, aiding digestion and helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Next up, cucumber. We all know cucumbers are hydrating, but did you know they are made up of around 95% water? This makes them excellent for hydration, particularly on hot days or after physical activity. But beyond just being refreshing, cucumbers also contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which help fight off free radicals in the body and prevent inflammation. Now, let's move on to one of the most powerful spices on the planet, turmeric. This bright yellow spice has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and it's easy to see why. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce chronic inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and even support heart health. Next is ginger. This spice is another powerhouse. Ginger has been used for centuries in many cultures for its ability to soothe the stomach, reduce nausea, and promote digestion. It's fantastic for people who struggle with digestive discomfort or bloating, as it helps to stimulate the digestive process and relieve symptoms like gas and indigestion. Ginger is also a strong anti-inflammatory agent, and when combined with turmeric, the effects are even more potent. Together, they form a dynamic duo that fights inflammation throughout the body, which is crucial for overall health. Lime juice adds a zesty, tangy kick to our blend, but it's more than just a flavor booster. Limes are high in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and fight off infections. They're also rich in antioxidants, which protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. And finally, we have mint leaves, which not only offer a refreshing aroma, but also come with their own set of benefits. Mint is well known for its ability to soothe the digestive system and reduce bloating. It helps relax the muscles in your stomach, making it a great remedy for indigestion or an upset stomach. Now that we understand the ingredients, let's dive into the specific benefits of this pineapple, cucumber, and turmeric-ginger refreshing blend. First and foremost, this blend is incredibly hydrating. With ingredients like cucumber and pineapple, both rich in water content, this drink is perfect for replenishing fluids in your body. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy skin, optimal digestion, and overall energy levels. Thanks to the digestive enzymes in pineapple and the soothing properties of ginger, this blend is a wonderful digestive aid. Whether you're struggling with bloating, indigestion, or sluggish digestion, this blend can help ease discomfort and get things moving smoothly. Drink it before or after meals to help with digestion and to prevent bloating. The combination of turmeric, ginger, and bromelain from pineapple gives this blend powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, so reducing it can have profound benefits for your overall health. Whether you're recovering from a workout or managing chronic inflammation, this blend can help calm your body's inflammatory response. This blend is also a natural detoxifier. Lime juice helps to cleanse the liver, while mint supports the digestive system's detoxification processes. With regular consumption, this drink can help your body flush out toxins and leave you feeling lighter and more refreshed. Between the vitamin C in pineapple and lime and the immune-boosting properties of ginger and turmeric, this blend is fantastic for keeping your immune system strong. Drinking it regularly can help protect you from infections, especially during cold and flu season. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about how you can incorporate this drink into your daily routine. One of the best times to enjoy this refreshing blend is first thing in the morning. Drinking it on an empty stomach helps kickstart your digestive system and provides a gentle, hydrating start to your day. You can even make a big batch the night before, so it's ready for you in the morning. This blend is also an excellent post-workout drink. After you've finished exercising, your body needs hydration and nutrients to recover. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger can help reduce muscle soreness, while the hydration from cucumber and pineapple replenishes your body's fluids. Instead of reaching for an afternoon coffee or sugary snack, why not try this refreshing blend? The zing from ginger and lime, combined with the cooling effects of cucumber and mint, makes this drink the perfect way to re-energize and refresh yourself during that midday slump. Another great time to drink this blend is right before dinner. A small glass can stimulate your digestive system and help prevent bloating after a meal. Plus, it's light enough not to spoil your appetite. So there you have it, friends. The pineapple, cucumber, and turmeric-ginger refreshing blend is more than just a tasty beverage. It's packed with benefits that can support your digestion, reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and keep you hydrated. Plus, it's so easy to make and incorporate into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration.